This is my module 4 honors assignment. So, as you can see, I have my 4 equations here, and it creates a little frowny face. Or I have 5 equations actually, 4 absolute value equations, and then 1 regular equation. And it gets that. And then, so for my example equation, I did 3 times the absolute value of 2x plus 2 minus 3 equals 6. So the first thing you're going to do is add 3 to both sides to get this isolated. And then you get 3 times the absolute value of 2x plus 2 equals 9. Then you're going to divide by 3 to isolate it once again. You get the absolute value of 2x plus 2 equals 3. So then you're going to put it into these two because there's going to be 2 answers. Because inside the absolute value, there could be a positive or a negative because the absolute value of anything is positive. So inside it could be positive or negative. So the first one, you do 2x plus 2 equals negative 3. Take off those, negative 3. And then you add 2 to both sides. You subtract 2 to both sides. And you get 2x equals negative 5. Then you divide by 2, and you get x equals negative 5 divided by 2. Then for this one, you do 2x plus 2 equals 3. Then you subtract 2 from both sides. You get 2x equals 1. Then divide by 2 on both sides, and you get x equals 1/2. You can actually also plug this in and see if it's correct. So for 1/2, we're going to start with our original equation, and we're going to do inside the absolute value first. So 2 times 1 divided by 2 equals 1, and then you add 2 over here. The absolute value of 3 is 3 times 3. You get 9. And then you subtract 3. You get 6, which 6 would equal 6. You can also test it out for this one. So 2 times negative 5 halves times, or I already did times, well, that would be equal to negative 5. And then you have to add 2 in here. This is negative 3. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And then minus 3 equals 6. And 6 equals 6. So we know those are our answers. That is my module 4 honors assignment.